Hey, Chuck. Oh, there goes the chunky monkey. Hey, sit back up. Sit back up. Sit back up so you can't fall over like that. You just can't fall over like that. You can do it. No, you shouldn't fall over. Why are you falling over? Huh? Huh? Hey, what you doing, baby boy? What you doing? Huh? Are you eating your hands a little bit? Yeah? Just a little bit? Can you say hi to Grandma? No? No? Just eating your hands a little bit. Just eating them.